Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update on my Gate.io Bitcoin grid trading bot. So let's get right into the weeds. And so jumping right over to the Gate.io trading dashboard, you can actually configure a grid bot if you come down here towards the bottom where it says grid trading and you give that a click, and that will allow you to configure a grid bot. However, that is not what this video is about today. If you want to see my video where I actually configured this grid bot, I will drop a link in the description down below, and you might want to shoot that subscribe button now so you don't miss future videos when I'm configuring these type of grid bots, or any bot for that matter. So with that all being said, in order to find my actual stats for the current grid bot, I need to come up to the tab where it says copy trading, give that a click, and that will bring you to the copy trading dashboard, which is a terrible name. I'm not a fan of copy trading, as many of you know if you watch my channel long enough. I would prefer to configure my own bots, and I never suggest copying somebody else's strategy. But with that being said, you can either use their strategy templates or a custom strategy which you design yourself. And in the future, I will configure a few more custom strategies. So again, shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss those videos. But today's video is about the profit generated by the Bitcoin grid bot I deployed almost 3 months ago. So I just come down here to my strategy where it says active strategies. I can give that a click, and I only have that one active strategy for the grid bot. You can see I deployed on August 11th, and so it's been almost 3 months. So if I give this a click, we can see the details for the grid bot itself, and my total investment was 500 USDT, and so far my realized profits is just about 27 USDT, or 5%. Now, as far as a return goes, that is terrible. Over a 3-month period, a 5% return, that is not acceptable for a grid bot. But there is a very good reason why this grid bot performed so poorly, and the fact is the price range that I originally configured this bot for was 27,000 and 60,000, and if you remember back to August, that was a fairly valid price range, and September was not a great month. However, for October we saw a pump, and for the majority of the time this bot was not in range and not trading, and actually as of today it's actually out of range while Bitcoin's price is around 62,000. And so the fact that I cannot alter this price range really makes this bot inadequate, and the fact that the grid does not trail up or trail down also pretty much makes this bot obsolete after a certain price level has been breached. Now, I could have easily shut this bot down once the price got above 60,000, redeployed a new bot, but in reality, I day trade all day long. My objective for a grid bot is really to just let it run with the price action, and unfortunately this bot would require a little more management than I would obviously be willing to give it, because I actually didn't give it any management at all, which is not good, and it's actually a failure on my part. And so at this point in time, I'm going to terminate this bot because it's nowhere close to the 0.5% profit per day that I expect from a Bitcoin grid trading bot. And so if we scroll down, you'll see the terminate button. I'm going to give that a click, and I'm going to put this bot out of its misery. So click confirm. All right, so now the bot's terminated, and now I can use those funds on a new bot that perhaps will be more profitable, and I will configure that here in the near future. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to Gate.io in the description down below. And so that pretty much wraps it up. So in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.